Hi guys, so this is a continuation video of how to create a website using free templates. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it before you see this video. Let's get started. Once you open your website, you will see an option called Edit with Elementor. Click on it. Once opened, you will see this screen. This is nothing but your Elementor Pro dashboard. The entire section consists of two areas, one on left side and the other one on right side. So the left side area consists of all the editing tools such as inner section, heading, image, video, buttons, etc. These are the stuffs you will be adding into your website. Followed by settings. In settings you can change the style of images and font. Followed by navigator tool. Navigator tool plays a very important role for every website creation. Here you can see all these layers. Once you import any layer, you can see that in the right panel. I am clicking the third option. You can see it will be redirected to that particular section, followed by the fifth one. Okay, now it's time for the other option. Here you will see the history, and other one is responsive mode. Responsive mode is also very important because a website should be visible in three modes: your desktop, phone and tablet. So once you create any website in desktop, you have to select each and every option of the mobile phone or tab and also check if it's visible properly or not. If there is any undulations or misalignment of your text or images, you have to make these corrections again. So these things are very important whenever you make a website. For few mobiles such as old one, there will be sizes difference. If you know the exact size, you can change it or else use the default settings. And the last setting is the preview mode. Once you make these changes, you can see your website live if you click the preview mode. Now coming back to the dashboard. So on the right panel, you will see the editing UI. So UI is nothing but the user interface. Whatever changes you make, the screen you can visible on the right side. So every time you will have a section, so that is a primary one, and below that section you will have a column. In the navigator, just select the column. You can see the column area here. So whenever you have to edit, first you have to import a section. In that section you have to import a column, and in that column only you can use all these text, images, buttons, videos, whatever. Okay, now let's see how to edit these fonts or those buttons. Now, if you just hover on the text, you will see an option, pencil icon on the right side, right? Just click on it. Once selected, right click on it and you will see all these options. Here I'm going to delete this font because I'm going to import the font from the left option panel. Okay, I'm going to delete all these fonts and I'm going to retain the button only. Anyways, the process is same. From the left panel, you just have to drag and drop the fonts or images or buttons, whatever you need, just drag and drop, that's it. So here in the button option, I'm just going to select on it. Once selected, in the left panel, you can see all those options required to edit this button. Let's say I'm going to change this font. Just select that font here and type whatever the text you need. I'm going to type contact us. Okay, now I'm going to add a heading. To do so, click the layout option on the top right. Now you will see all these editing tools. I'm going to drag this heading and leave above the button area. You can see a dark highlighted blue area. So that's the location of your text. Now I'm going to edit it. Either select it here or use the left panel. Once your content is ready, now it's time to change the style of your font. Here I'm going to make it a center aligned. And now to change the style of the font, you can see three options on the top right. So click on the style. You will see all the options such as typography, your text font size, colors, everything. Just do a R&D on these options. These are nothing but trial and error process. You can also change the opacity of your text. You can make it bolder or even lighter. Okay, so the next option are typography. You can change the font name, your size, or the spacing between each and every letters. You can also increase the boldness of your font. I'm gonna skip this process to save the time of the video. You can do a R&D on these options whenever you get free times. Now I'm gonna change the style of this button. Select the button and in the top option click styles and you will find all these editing options. So here I'm going to change the color. I don't like this yellow color, so I'm going to change it as white. You can also customize these changes as per your wish. Change the opacity, your font size, headings, boldness, everything. And once you're satisfied, you can update it. Once done, click the arrow icon here and you can see the changes. So this is our website. It's going to look like this. Okay. So now the cover photo is completed. The next step is I'm going to change the background of this section. To do so, the first step, you have to select that particular section either in Navigator or the tab. Now go to Styles, select the Background tab on the left corner and then change the image here. Select this Choose Image and select the image that you required. Okay, I'm going to select this image and click Insert Media. The image is uploaded here. Now you can also customize this image by changing the opacity, gradient and other options such as slideshow, video, etc. Now there is one more option called background overlay. You can add an additional element such as an image or a color above this background and adjust the opacity settings to choose your style. Okay, now the cover photo is ready. The next step is I have to add some product images here. Here it shows our services. So I'm gonna rename it as our products. Just select that and type the words. That's it. Now if you see, there are 3 images followed by some text and the other layers has some reviews and image and text. I'm not going to use these. So in this tab, I'm going to add some product images. So under a column, select the object image. Select the pencil icon on top right or use the navigator option. Now change the image. So I'm going to select a random image just for a video purpose. I have deleted a column to make 2 images visible. So select the option and just click delete. Now I'm going to do the same process for the image on the right side. I'm closing the navigator panel and now I'm selecting the pencil icon and I'm changing the image. So you can do the same process for any number of tabs you want. Here I'm going to use only 2. Once you have uploaded an image, you can also change its style. So click the style option and increase the width or change the opacity or add any additional layers. You can do some R&D works here. So the next step is you have to edit that text here. Here if you see, the text is above and it's not aligned with the left tab. So go to settings and change the values in padding. Change the values until the lines are equal. So once you have found the exact value of the line alignments, fix it off and note the values. So next we have to change the text. Just select the text line and change the headings here on the left panel. Now do the same thing for the other tabs also. Make sure the spellings are correct and once done, please select update. And now once you have selected the update, please wait until it finishes. Now go to your website and click the refresh button. And once refreshed, you can see the changes has been updated in your website live. So in the same way, you have to change the other tabs also. Just double click the text and edit and change the images. So now the next step is the menu tab. We have to change some menu tab based on our website requirements. Select the hamburger icon on top left and select exit to dashboard. Now you will be redirected to the edit page of your current website. Now on the top left you can see a W icon, which is nothing but a WordPress logo. Select that to go to the WordPress dashboard. So the menus which you see here are nothing but the pages which you create in your WordPress. Here you can see the same pages mentioned about contact, home, services. So in this option, I don't want the page called about. So I'm going to delete it, and there is an option called service. I'm going to change it as products. Now from your WordPress dashboard, select the page called about and click trash. Now this page will get deleted. And the next step is I'm going to change the services into products. So click edit below the services tab and now rename the services as products. Once you make any changes, make sure you select the update button to make it live in your website. Now go back to the dashboard. So now we have made changes for the menus, change the names also, but this will not reflect on the menus tab in website directly. To do that, we have to interlink the pages in menus. So go to appearance, select menus. Now here you can see the list of menus. Since we have deleted the about page, it shows in red color. Just remove the option. Now the rest options are fine. So select save menu on bottom right. So once it is saved, you can go back to your website, refresh it, and you can see the changes live. That's it guys. So in the same way, you have to edit and customize each and every page. So then you can save it and your website will be ready. I hope this video was useful for you guys. If you have any doubts, feel free to put it in the comment box or go to the contact page from our website. For more updates, visit our YouTube channel or website, which is the digibob.in. We also teach you free digital marketing course for free. Please visit our website and have updates on digital marketing course daily. Thank you and have a nice day.